It's always fun to create beautiful UIs for end-user applications in embedded environments. Now the quality has improved so much that we can create similar fancy graphics that we see in mobile applications every day. We have an environment where we can create beautiful UI UX, and for now, I think LVGL and Slint are great options. I really like these two UI tools or libraries, and I think you know that I have been working on a lot of projects based on LVGL. Today, instead of LVGL, I'm gonna talk about Slint for a moment. One of the biggest advantages of Slint is that you can create an application UI for mobile desktop embedded devices with one set of UI designs. I don't know much about it, but it can be very effective in projects where the consistency of UI UX is very important. In addition, it's very useful to separate UI code and logic code and manage them independently. This can be very effective as the size of the project grows. This project that seems to be commercially successful is EV charger device. It seems to be installed in North America. Unfortunately, I tried to find it around my neighborhood, but I couldn't find it. Anyway, this UI shown here was made using Slint. It is very clean and I like this kind of style. You know what? I think this could be implemented using other tools as long as the design is good, even if it's not Slint. Nevertheless, I think it is good impression to developers that there is such a good and successful example. You can check out this project as well as several other projects on the Slint site. Slint can be used in many environments because it supports multiple languages. For ESP32 devices, the easiest one to start with is C++. There is a Rust project called ESP-RS that runs on ESP32, but I'm still not sure about the BSP setup to run Slint. It may still be best to start with C++ based on ESP-IDF for ESP32 devices. Slint is also continuously being updated to support ESP-IDF, and it has been updated to be easier to start with compared to the previous earlier versions. I'm using ESP32-P4 function EB board as a test device, and it's showing great performance. The Slint extension for VS Code allows you to edit code based on the GUI as well as emulate the UI. It's very fast and very convenient, so I have no doubt that I will definitely use it. This shows a very simple timer working with just Slint code. The performance is very good. If there is a benchmark for embedded devices, it would be better to use it to get numerical results, but there's not one at the moment. The performance of ESP32-P4 has improved a lot compared to the existing one like S3. And Slint also seems to be optimized to work well in embedded environments. It's really good. One thing I'd like to mention is that the C++ code-based example does not run 100% perfectly. There seems to be some dependent issues still existing. I will mention this again when I do the actual project. Finally, I have to talk about the licensing fee. It is free for personal projects and open source projects except for commercial projects. Yes, if your project is commercial, you have to pay a license fee. Of course, we should pay for commercial projects, but I think it would be good if even small commercial projects by individuals were free. I know they spend a lot of time and money on this project, but in order to be more popular, I thought it would be good to make it free for startups or personal commercial projects. Just my opinion. I'm preparing a simple application using Slint for the next video. I hope it goes well. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you on the next project.